What the world and the people in it need most from you is for you to be a sun. They need your warmth, your care. Nothing imposed, just the abiding spirit of love, constant in your heart of hearts. When faced with the coldness of other people, return that coldness with your warmth. Remember, you are a sun. Your world needs your light, your wisdom, your intelligence. Faced with judgment or condemnation, faced with prejudice or bias, bring the light that illuminates not only what is, but what could be if we only let it. Help your world see because of the light of the sun through you. Your world needs the gravity you bring that holds the flow of creation in its orbit. This is the attractive power that moves through you when you remember that you are a sun. It brings people close to your fire when they need to be. It attracts the fuel that participates in your burning and your light. The sun of our solar system is beautiful and life-giving. It brings us physical warmth and light. But it is not enough. The world needs people who are following their own inner urge to become a sun. Just as hydrogen atoms on the sun of our solar system resist fusion until they are drawn by gravity to the transforming power of the sun's core, human beings have resisted becoming a sun until today. The gravity of the sun is an urge which is now surfacing in people across the globe, people who are becoming aware of the great need around them, who are awakening to the gifts of the sun which they possess, who see that their gifts are needed. These people are coming together in living rooms and in public places, in conferences, concerts, communities, and think tanks. They are letting the power of fusion unite and transform them. While much of the world is embroiled in battle, argument, and the power games of a dying world, people who are becoming a sun see a new world being born, a world given life by the sun that is rising within us all if we let it. Believe in that sun. The world needs your warmth. The world needs your light. The world needs your gravity. It is your destiny to become a sun.